In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to verify your phone number in Exness account. So guys, let's get started. First step, open your profile on this section and then go to the setting. After go to setting, you will see this page. Click complete now, this option complete now. After that, click get started from here, and then all you have to do, you should be confirm your phone number. After that, I want to confirm my email address. This is the first step, guys, email verification, as you can see here. After that, when you click on verification email, you should be add your information. Click complete. You will add your all information, guys, such your ID, for example, this one, and then last name. After that, write your birthday and year. After that, click on birthday countries and write all this information. And guys, all you have to do, complete these steps. So guys, as you can see here, write your all this state, and then after that, click on this steps and click continue. After that, friends, choose this any option from here, student, such as student, click continue, and then guys, click continue this option again. After that, click this option. After that, friends, complete all the steps. And then guys, all you have to do when you complete you are trading plan, use stock or something like this, click App Store. If you want to use on App Store, confirm this option and then submit. When you submit, click confirm your phone number, write your phone number here and you will be verified successfully.